The Indian IT sector offers numerous solutions to simplify the daily working of almost every enterprise today. One company providing software solutions to enterprises both in India and abroad is Adequare India, headquartered at Hyderabad.
The idea behind Adequare was all about being technocrats. We wanted to address the needs of customers with solutions that are both optimal and efficient.
Adequare India was established in 2001 and focuses mainly on providing data solutions for ERP localization, custom application development, business intelligence services and much more. It has a host of clients across India and Australia in sectors of banking, finance, mortgage, manufacturing, etc. Thanks to its ever-increasing client base, the company has seen an annual growth rate of over 130% over the last 3 years.
Adequare has been in the business from almost last 9 years. And recently, in fact lately, we shifted the focus primarily to be a #1 leading company in the data engineering. Data engineering, perhaps under the umbrella of data engineering, you'll have big data, which is the big buzz right now in the markets.
Adequare is also the parent company to Udyog Software, which it acquired in 2009. Udyog makes software solutions for taxation clients in India and goes the extra mile for customer service and feedback. Dealing with a dynamic subject like taxation, the company ensures constant upgradation of the software according to policy changes.
We're the only company which provides end-to-end tax products. And the way we are different from other companies is that other companies develop a package which solves a specific problem. What we develop is a platform which can address the entire company's tax requirement.
Since acquiring Udyog, which was by that time the most comprehensive Indian taxation company with a 17-18 years history by then in 2009. Now, Udyog, if you look at it as of today, we are perceived as leaders when it comes to tax automation.
What are the services that your company provides?
The solutions that we currently cater in are what we call as Total GRC. Total GRC is governance, risk and compliance in totality.
What are your future growth plans for the company?
We've been growing at a healthy pace over the last few years. We've been ranked in US for our growth in technology companies. What's interesting about us compared to many other companies is we've been ranked for our growth 3 years in succession. Now that kind of growth was what we had over the years. Now we want to keep up the momentum going.
Today, Adequare, along with Udyog, is at an annual turnover of over 27 crore rupees. The company is now aiming to develop innovative solutions in the big data field and also to create product offerings in the taxation space using cloud computing. Combining talent with technology, Adequare is indeed leaping ahead on its journey to success.
Adequare Software has picked the right macro opportunities within the IT services industry. At this stage, I would advise them to focus aggressively on brand building to differentiate themselves in the marketplace compared to other large Indian IT services peers. The kind of business they are doing requires high-end software engineering talent, and they should also focus on building a culture in the organization to attract and retain such talent.
Well, that advice should surely help Adequare India with its growth story.